Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nails channel. My name is Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be painting the cutest teddy bear ever. Let's get cracking. Right, so I've got a few browns over here. Chocolate shake, I've got a fries robe, butterscotch, and bonsai. And I've also got eggnog, and as usual, black and white. You know, you've got to have black and white if you want to paint. I'm going to be using my 002 brush and just picking up some of chocolate shake. I'm going to put some on my palette, and that will be just to map out the shape of the teddy bear. It's not even Valentine's and I'm painting a teddy bear. Don't know why. Right. Anywho, I'm going to start mapping out the head. So I'm just putting a nice blob of paint on the nail, and I'm starting to map out his face. So it's going to be a nice big round shape. Don't worry too much about the shape. You can fix it as we go. Pull the color in and fill it as you paint. So we're going to do a nice big circle. So I'm happy with the shape of the head. I'm going to add the ears. So it's going to be just a couple of kind of semicircles attached to the head, but they're going to be slightly wide. So I'm going to fill that in as well while I'm at it. And ear number 2. And moving the product around to make sure it's nice, even, and opaque everywhere. So we've got the head ready. I'm going to start painting his body. So again, I'm just pulling down from that head and I'm painting something that looks like a pear shape, if it makes sense. This is just the base for the teddy bear. Might as well do it all at the same time, right? It really is a chocolate shake, isn't it?
Perfect for a teddy bear.
Yeah. I'm gonna do now 2 more lines on here. So it's going to be like a curved line because the hand is gonna go around, if it makes sense, and behind. But I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna fill it in anyway, but you kind of get an idea of how we're gonna kind of paint it later on, if it makes sense, outline it. And then I'm gonna add 1 leg over here. So I've got the base for our teddy bear ready. Okay, I'm gonna pop this into the lamp, make sure it's self-leveled, and then we'll add some more detail. Right, so I'm actually gonna mix up a little bit of butterscotch into eggnog because I feel I need a lighter color but with a bit of a brown tint to it, and I think the eggnog is a little bit too yellowy or too kind of olive based for this look, and I wanted it to have a bit more of a brown tint. Yeah, this is what I wanted. I wanted like an iced coffee kind of color.
I see.
Do you know what I mean? I want something more like this. So I've got this tone over here ready. getting my nail out, I'm going to basically paint the bottom of the head like so. Okay, just do the line over here, and then I'm gonna paint a little blob so it looks like a bit of a cloud, really. Do you know what I mean when I'm saying a cloud?
Yeah, I get what you mean. Definitely looks like one.
Bit of a cloud, right? I'm going to refine the shape slightly. Now, I think I want it to be slightly more round at the bottom. Let me just work on that. Now I'm going to go in with Friar's Robe. I think it's the darkest brown we have. I'm going to pop some of that on the palette, and I'm going to create a couple of like circles in the midsection of the ear. So I'm just going to paint basically the shape of the ear, but just inside the ear. It looks so good. It looks like a chocolate bear. I just
Yeah, it
want
looks
to
like
eat
one
it
of
right
those
now.
lint ones.
Yeah, the ones that you get from Thornton's, you know.
Yes, yeah.
I just want to eat it. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Straight line to finish it off. So that's nice and straight. I'm now going to give this a cure, and we'll carry on adding some more detail. Ooh. There we go. We have done this ear filling thing. I'm gonna go back into Friar's Robe, and I'm going to paint a triangle like for the nose. Now the nose is quite big. Yeah, it is a big nose. I think it even has to be bigger. Maybe slightly thicker. There we go. Something like this. So I've got a big nose over here. All right. And what I want to be doing next is adding a little bit of shading before we cure this again. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of a base coat. Well, I've got a top coat in here. A top coat will do. I'm going to take a little bit of a top coat. We're going to use a top coat anyway. So, and a little bit of that Friar's Robe into it. Literally just a tiny bit. I want to have a really translucent kind of brown. So, picking up that brown, and I'm going to start adding detail, like just randomly adding some shading before I put all the proper outlining, etc. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of shading here. So literally take the excess off and just kind of blend it in. You can even blend it in with the 3D brush. And pull out here. Right, so I've added a little bit of shading here. I'm gonna add some shading to the body. So I've got the blending done. As you can see, most of the shading on here. I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we're going to start. Why am I looking at the light?
Yeah.
You're here, guys. I've added the shade in. It's too late, you know, it's getting late. I'm a little bit tired, so I don't know what I'm doing exactly. And it happened a lot lately, so I do apologize. But yes, we've done the shading. We're going to pop it into the lamp and then we're going to carry on the design. We've got our teddy ready over here. I'm going to start outlining him and adding a bit more detail. So I'm going to go in with my dotting tool, pick up some of that black and just do firstly 2 kind of dots for his eyes. I've got my 0003 brush. I'm going to add some more detail now and start outlining Teddy over here. So I'm just going to just basically paint over the ears. Bring it in a little bit more, just like so. We're going to also paint this bit over here. And then I'm going to do a couple of curved lines over here as well. And then some lines through it. I'm going to add the mouth. Super cute, isn't he? A little bit of a tongue here. He's super cute, isn't he?
Yes. I'd happily have a plushie like him.
Look at this. Something completely random. I really don't know why I wanted to do a teddy bear, but it's been on my mind for the last few weeks. Have you ever received a teddy bear from someone?
I have.
Have you?
Have you?
Very, very long time ago. Very long time ago. Okay, I'm happy with how it looks so far. So I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we'll add, once the black is cured, we'll add the pink for the tongue and probably a couple of dots for the eyes in white. So Teddy over here ready. I'm going to go in with ballet shoes. Tell you the truth, it was just on my desk, so I was like, yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm using you. So getting that pink on my brush, I'm literally just gonna paint the tiniest section here in pink. There we go. And then I'm going to get this dotting tool and then pick up a little bit of Snow White and just add a white dot. So we've got Devilish. I don't know why I picked that color, because he's not a devil, is he?
No.
But we like contrast, don't we?
Contrast is good.
So I'm going to pick up teddy bear over here. I'm going to just do, I'm just going to cheat. Pick up some of that red and start doing a couple of dots where I want to have a heart. Maybe a couple of dots here. And I'm going to take my 002 brush because it's kind of shorter, it will be easier for me to control it, and just create loads of little hearts on the background. Right, so we've got Teddy over here cured. I'm going to top coat him. Oh, I'm really, like, this nail makes my heart like melt. Oh, I'm gonna top coat it with our Urban Graffiti top coat, and then I'm taking him home. And this is it, guys. I can't. Look at it, Lucy.
I know, I can't deal with it.
We are lost for
I
words. He is so cute. Honestly, I mean, I love him. He is absolutely stunning. It's such a cute design, honestly. Perfect for Valentine's, but we are nowhere near Valentine's. It's just a perfect design altogether. Super cute. Oh, I love it. I don't know why and what made me paint a teddy bear, but I wanted it, so I did it. But I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Give it a go. Let me know how it goes for you guys. Don't forget to tag me if you recreate it, and let me know in the comments below as well what you'd like to see next. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care. I'm taking him. I'm taking him home. Oh. Why
Been
was
a
I
long
looking
day.
into the light?
God was speaking to the light.
I can see the light.
The nail gods.
Sorry. Sorry. I didn't even cover my mouth then. I just like let it out.
Let rip.
Let's get some red color. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Don't show me walking and coming back because I'm fat. Thanks.